Hello friends, my name is Prasad Nidhi from Dhanbad Lab Instrument India Private Limited. Today I want to show you power quality analyzer from PC Instrument. We Dhanbad Instrument is authorized distributor of PC Instrument UK in India. So today I am unboxing power quality analyzer PC 360 in front of you. This is the carrying case you will find along with this instrument. This is main instrument PC 360 power quality analyzer. There are 4 number of clamp meter, current clamp meter along with this instrument. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 current clamp meter with this instrument. This is 1.5 volt AA battery comes along with this instrument. And there are other accessories like this is power leads, this is USB cable, this is adapter, these are 4 alligator clips. These are the instruments comes along with this power quality analyzer, and also you will find manuals and details of this instrument in this CD room. You will find all the specification data how to run this instrument in this manual book. So coming to the main instrument, this is PC 360 power quality analyzer. The PC 360 is a single phase power meter or clamp meter with data logger functionality. The versatile power analyzer can take single phase and 3 phase power meter both in real time and over an extended time period. And this instrument is used for analysis of following parameters like voltage, current, active power, apparent power, relative power, power factor, phase angle, frequency, rotary field, active energy, apparent energy, reactive energy, harmonics and waveforms. So these parameters you can measure with this instrument, and this instrument is having large display, and this is very easy to read. For measurement in real time and over an extended time period up to 578 days at the rate 5-second sampling rate. And another advantage of this instrument is it stores up to 99 measurement in manual mode and up to 1 crore measurement in extended 4 GB internal memory. So this instrument also comes with internal memory. So this is power quality analyzer meter from PC Instrument, and you will find all these instruments along with this instrument, and these are the accessories with this instrument. So to buy this product from us, kindly visit www.dhanbadinstruments.com. Thank you for watching Dhanbad Lab Instrument India Private Limited. Thank you so much.